Hey, it's great to have you here. If we don't know each other, my name is Tara Lee, and I'm excited to offer you our Conflict Handbook, a leader's guide for those hard conversations without always having to feel like the bad guy. Conflict is certainly not every leader's favorite topic, but unfortunately, it's something that we all have to learn how to navigate effectively. People are complex creatures, and there's such diversity in how we approach conflict, how we respond to it, and how we manage it when it's left unresolved. Conflict is often perceived as negative. It has a bit of a bad rap, but it's really essential to high performance teamwork. This handbook offers you a simple team exercise that you can use to understand your individual conflict styles, both of yourself as a leader and of your individual team members. Armed with this insight, that you can then discover some strategies that you can use every day to turn conflict from that dreaded leadership responsibility into an opportunity for really great connection, innovation, and decision making.